How long will it take?
100 minutes.
Huh?
Mama, did you get icing sugar?
The whipped cream already has sugar in it.
See?
Athar is doing a kite, is it? And this kite looks similar to something. No? God, two boxes of colors. You need so much colors.
These are 8 colors, Amma.
Oh.
See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
To make whipped cream, I am using whipping cream powder here. It is easily available in the market. Here I have some ice cubes in a big container in which I am going to keep my whipping cream bowl to make the whipped cream. We need to add chilled milk to the whipping cream powder and keep whipping it till we get stiff peaks. It's very easy to make. You only need to follow the packet instructions. It's done and I'm going to keep it in the fridge. Friends, the cake is perfectly done. Only it's a bit brown on the top because my mother's brother changed the temperature.
That's because
That's because he was playing.
Athar increased the temperature to
Yes,
240 degrees. That's okay. It's nice. So it's cool. The cake is cool.
Yeah,
Wait,
sure.
careful. You didn't see when he came into the kitchen.
Yeah.
Open. Wow.
This the butter paper below the cake.
So nice. It's nice.
Yeah, obvious. So now let's cut it.
Can you cut it?
Wow. Friends, the cake is perfectly done. So now only we have to cut it and assemble it.
So we need 2 discs, right?
Yeah.
So you're cutting it from the center. Careful. Slow.
Not sure it got cut. See?
Remove that and show. That one. So 2 discs. It's nice.
Friends, now we are assembling the cake. I couldn't get the canned cherries, so I'm using the packed, boxed and manufactured cherries. The whipped cream is ready, so now we are going to assemble it.
So this we need to cut, right?
So-
this portion.
So now we have to cut this portion so we get a flat surface.
And also this portion will
Yeah.
go, right? The burnt one. Careful.
I'll try cutting.
So the dome portion is gone.
Oh, inside it's
Yeah.
good.
So actually we can save this. We can crumble this and we can use it for the cake.
Actually.
Okay, now it looks nice. So depending on the thickness of the cake, we can make 2 or 3 slices.
Yeah. So we'll make only one slice.
2
Our
slices.
cake is
As in
more.
2 discs.
Yeah. Time for whipped cream. Attack.
So Yash is going to use gulab jamun syrup. Careful, wait, I'll help you.
I got it.
So gulab jamun syrup is out. So you're gonna dredge. So if you want to use cherry syrup, we can use some vanilla essence, right? How much vanilla essence? A teaspoon?
2 teaspoons. Fully have to drench it, not very less. Till the whole portion becomes black. That's the beauty of Black Forest.
You need to drench it completely, is it?
That's the beauty of Black Forest. My mother has also posted Rasgulla Black Forest cake. I'll give you the link in the description box below. Please do check it out. It's an awesome recipe. Otherwise, it's not called Black Forest itself. There's a lot of it.
Oh.
Gulab jamun.
So this is done. Okay, now this tip is for the adults, right? If adults want, they can use some rum.
No, even kids.
No, I would not suggest for kids. Are they supposed to mix it with the syrup, sugar syrup? And then
the cherry syrup. In cherry syrup, you have to add sugar. Then you have to add rum. Mix it all together and drench it. This is what I call Black Forest.
This looks black.
That's why it's called Black Forest.
That's why it's called Black Forest.
Otherwise, it will be called Brown Forest.
It's actually dark chocolate brown. Here. The cherries.
I have sliced the cherries.
Now what?
Now, with the help of a palette knife, I am going to put whipped cream in the center and spread it.
Okay, first are you supposed to put cherries or the...
On top of the whipped cream, you have to. Easy.
Carefully place the second layer. You want to turn it in place? Okay. Perfect. Awesome, Vihan. So sides we don't have to cover.
Because we are going to put chocolate in.
Grated chocolate. I think this looks good.
Enough.
Perfect. So we still have so much of whipped cream left.
Which we are going to put it in.
So you want to use piping bag?
Yeah.
Careful.
It's not going to.
So the remaining cream is in the piping bag.
Friends, I forgot to put the cherries in the center. So I lift it and put it.
So wait, this is something which we should not do, but we don't have a choice. So wait, I'll help you. Wait. The cake is very, very brittle. This is the total wrong way of doing. Okay, done. I'll lift it from the other side.
Now this side. Thank God I managed it. 1 minute. Using the grater, I'm going to grate the dark chocolate. You can also use milk chocolate. Friends, if you don't want to use cherry syrup, you can also use orange juice or plain sugar water.
Sugar syrup, as in sugar water.
Sugar water.
To drench the
Cake.
cakes.
my cake with cherries. I know it's not looking so good, but I'm proud of my cake now. So now I'm sprinkling the grated chocolate.
As much of grated chocolate as you want. You can even shape the chocolate.
Yeah. Extra dome of cake, I'm going to crumble it and just stick it everywhere. Slowly, with my mother's help, I'm going to place it in this cake board. Phew! Friends, I really don't believe that I made this cake myself. I've made many cakes, but this has turned out the best. So now I'm going to set it in the fridge for about an hour or two till my father comes back, so it gets perfectly set.
It has to settle down. For how much? 1 hour or 2 hours?
1 to 2 hours. Sure. This has to taste really good, and I'm very sure about it. For a longer time.
Nana likes all chocolate. This is your card. Okay. What is it? Okay, this opens like this. Close it.
Wait, first you said to open, I opened. This is how it opens.
Wow. So can you pull out the card from inside?
Yeah.
Sure. This card can come out, is it? Oh wow. So cute.
Friends, that's for my dad.
So this is Vihan's and Atharv's gift.
No. The red is showing mine,
Okay.
silver is showing yours.
And the card.
Together?
Where's your cards? Where's your card?
No.
You made a card, no, Banana?
I didn't make any. Kite.
The kite card.
Happy birthday.
Wow, thank you, Kanna.
There's
Oh,
a
you have to
certain,
open-
you have
open
a
like
certain
this.
way of opening.
Okay, you have to open like this.
First you have to put it in your fingers.
Okay.
Then you have to open
Okay,
it like
okay.
this.
Put it in my
Otherwise,
fingers like this. Yeah. And then
Oh my god.
open it like this.
Secret message.
Happy birthday, dear
Nana.
Nana.
Many more happy returns of the day. Hope you have a nice day. Thank you, Kanati.
I wrote it very small. And then
Where's
close
the
it the same way.
little Atharv?
What matters is the intent.
And the design
This he
Very
went to
nice.
shop and he bought it.
Thank you, Kanati.
with my pocket money.
Again with his
pocket money. Endukra?
He has lots of
Sure.
pocket money. All his pocket money is
Ah.
gone. He bought
Really?
something for Atharv.
20 stars.
Nana, my gift is
Huh.
I have 1,000 rupees.
What is this?
I have 1,000 rupees. A kite. No.
A kite. Oh, thank you, Kunal.
That's how. Nana, give and something it can do. See?
Huh. Oh.
Hey, this, no? It can fly also.
Thank you, thank you.
Nana, you notice something? I used this for the first time and it's come out good. When you stick.
Look at Vihan. He's arranging the table. So after dinner, we'll do the cake cutting.
Arthur.
No, my birthday is over. My birthday is over.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Dada, you seem so dull.
విహాన్ పాడనే లేదు, పాట పాడాలన్నదా.
ఏమి
నిలబెట్టుకున్నా నాకు.
నేను ఇస్తాను నీకు.
చేరు చేరు
నేను నీకు ఇవ్వాలా.
మెల్లిగా కింద కింద ఉండదు చూడు. విహాన్.
నోడా సెట్గా తిన్నాను.
అందులో. Super, super. Vihan,
This is
super cake. Fantastic.
సూపర్ కన్నా, ఫెంటాస్టిక్. విహాన్, సో నైస్. I'll give you.
He's giving everyone his.
Only silver you are giving. Red is for you.
Oh, I'm giving only red. I am having.
సిల్వరా?
How is it?
కన్నా నాకు రెడ్
It's like a bottle.
I like this one. I like red.
ఏ అమ్మమ్మకు మాత్రం రెడ్ నాకంటే
నాకు కూడా రెడ్. Even I got red.
గర్ల్స్
Thank you కన్నా. విహాన్, what is it? Silver.
Like, share, comment, subscribe and share, and see you soon with a brand new recipe. Goodbye.